Miss one payment and your credit score can drop by 100 points. Miss one sign-up bonus deadline and you have just lost $500 or more. These are real problems. They are not theoretical. They are the scary reality when you handle multiple credit cards. The stress of juggling due dates, balances, bonus requirements can feel overwhelming. Many people give up. They decide that managing more than one or two cards is simply too complicated. They leave thousands of dollars in rewards on the table every single year because of this fear. This fear is understandable, but it is also solvable. You do not need to be a financial genius to master this. You just need a system. I personally manage over 15 credit cards. My credit score is consistently above 800. The best part? I spend approximately 5 minutes each month to keep everything in perfect order. It is not magic, a simple, deliberate process anyone can use. Welcome to CardVantage. We upload new money hacks every Thursday. This essay will show you that system, step by step. You can copy it, you can adapt it, you can start today. Let's begin. The most important rule is non-negotiable. Set up auto pay on every credit card you own. Choose the minimum amount due option. This is your defensive safety net. It guarantees you never have a late payment, protecting you from late fees and credit score damage. Your offense is still manually paying the balance in full to avoid interest. Your next step is to simplify your view. Logging into 15 different banking websites or apps to check your balances is a waste of time. It is inefficient and creates opportunities for things to be missed. You need a single place to see everything at once. This is where an aggregator app comes in. These dashboards link to all of your financial accounts and display them on one clean screen. This is a massive time saver. There are several good options available. Apps like Empower, formerly Personal Capital, and Rocket Money. The specific app you choose is less important than the function it performs. Your goal is to find one you trust and find easy to use. Take a few minutes to read their privacy policies and security features. Once you have chosen one, the setup process is straightforward. You will simply connect each of your credit card accounts to the app using your login credentials. The app does the rest. Once connected, the magic happens. You open one app, and you can see the current balance and recent transactions for every single one of your cards. No more jumping between different logins. You get a complete high-level overview of your credit landscape in seconds. It saves you time and helps you spot potential issues quickly. If you see an unusually high balance on a card you rarely use, you can investigate it for fraud immediately. This dashboard becomes a core part of your monthly review. Before you open your detailed spreadsheet, you will open this app. It gives you the big picture so you can move to the next step with confidence. Credit card sign-up bonuses are one of the biggest reasons to get new cards. A single bonus can be worth $500, $1,000, or even more in cash or travel value. However, these bonuses come with specific rules. You usually have to spend a certain amount of money within a specific time frame, like spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. Missing this deadline by even 1 day means you get nothing. Manually tracking these deadlines across multiple cards is a recipe for disaster. A free tool I recommend for this purpose is Travel Freely. It is specifically designed for people who want to maximize credit card rewards. Its primary function is to help you track your progress toward earning sign-up bonuses. It also helps you manage important rules that banks have, such as Chase's 5/24 rule. Chase will likely deny you if you have opened 5 or more personal cards in the last 24 months. Using a tool like Travel Freely is simple. When you get a new card, add it, enter your approval date, and the app automatically calculates your bonus deadline and 5/24 status. It sends you reminders as your deadlines approach. This removes the guesswork and the mental burden of trying to remember everything. While your aggregator app shows you current balances, your bonus tracker focuses on future deadlines and strategic planning. How much more do I need to spend on my new card? When is the deadline? Am I eligible to apply for that new Chase card I want? Having this info lets you maximize rewards long term. Apps are great for quick glances and automated reminders, but they do not capture everything. You need a central, permanent record that you control completely. This is your master spreadsheet. It is the command center of your entire system, your single source of truth. It is where strategy happens. I recommend Google Sheets. It is free and syncs automatically across your phone and computer. Create one simple table with rows for each card and columns for the key pieces of information you need to track. The goal is clarity, not complexity. Set a recurring reminder on the 1st of every month, review credit card spreadsheet. When the alert pops up, Open your Aggregator app for a quick balance check, then open your spreadsheet. Sort by due date, ensure balances are paid, and scan for upcoming annual fees. This simple process is the engine that runs the entire system. Create these columns: card name, issuer, account number, last four, statement closing date, payment due date, current balance, credit limit, APR, annual fee amount and date, sign-up bonus earned, bonus deadline, and notes. 2 columns are key: retention offer script, for when you call to waive a fee, and downgrade path, a no-fee alternative to preserve your credit history. The real-world hack: simple stickers. When you have a wallet with 10 or more cards, how do you quickly grab the right one? Buy small colored dot stickers or tiny labels. Green dot, TRA, groceries. Blue dot, TRA, dining. Yellow dot, TRA, gas. Prefer words? Print tiny labels: gas, travel, all else. Place the sticker on a corner. Do not cover the chip, your name, or the number. This visual cue transforms how you use your cards. Glance, match category to sticker, and pick the right card. If you have an authorized user, bosom, spouse or partner, tell them, use the card with the blue dot when we eat out. It makes the system foolproof. It takes 5 minutes to label your main cards. One-time effort, ongoing dividends. You maximize rewards automatically without thinking. The monthly ritual, fries timam stum. A 5-minute review. All these tools come together in one simple, powerful habit. Schedule this on your calendar. I recommend the first day of every month. When your alert goes off, follow 3 simple steps. First, open your Aggregator app. Glance at the dashboard. Look for the balances on each card. Look for any unusual activity. This takes about 30 seconds. Autopay is your safety net. You won't miss a payment. Confirm what needs your attention. Second, open your Master Spreadsheet. Sort the payment due date column to see upcoming payments. Go to your bank's website and schedule a manual payment for the full statement balance. That ensures you pay 0 interest. Next, sort the annual fee date column. See if any fees are coming up in the next 60 days. Decide, keep, downgrade, or call for a retention offer. This takes about 3 minutes. Third, update your spreadsheet. Set current balance to 0 to 0 as you pay. Note retention outcomes and update bonus progress. And that is it. You're done for the month. 5 minutes total. Your action plan. Putting it all together. Managing many cards does not have to be a source of stress. It can be simple, automated, a highly profitable part of your financial life. We have covered a complete system built on simple tools and repeatable habits. First, automate. Turn on auto pay for the minimum due. Second, aggregate. Link cards in an app like Empower or Rocket Money for a 30-second glance. Third, track. Use travel freely for bonus deadlines and 5/24 status. Fourth, label. Stickers to automate the right card at checkout. Finally, execute the 5-minute monthly review. Open your app. Open your spreadsheet. Pay in full. Check upcoming fees. Repeat. Automate. Aggregate. Track. And label. Want my spreadsheet template? Subscribe to CardVantage and let me know in the comments. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Make decisions based on your own situation and research.